In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect your phone number to Microsoft Teams. Before we jump into the process, it's essential to ensure that you have the right Microsoft 365 plan to get started. Microsoft Teams requires a specific feature called the Teams Phone, formerly known as the Microsoft Calling Plan. This is a crucial step because not all Microsoft 365 subscriptions include the Teams Phone feature by default. First, you'll want to verify what type of Microsoft 365 plan you are currently using. Some common options that support this feature include the Microsoft 365 Business Voice plan or Teams Phone Standard. If your current plan doesn't include these, you might also have a direct routing setup available through a telecom provider, which is another way to handle phone numbers in Teams. If you discover that you don't have any of these features available under your current subscription, the next step is to reach out to your IT administrator. They can assist you in either upgrading your current plan or adjusting your settings to ensure compatibility. If you handle your own subscriptions, you'll want to look into upgrading to include these necessary features. Once you've confirmed that you have the right plan with the Teams Phone feature enabled, you're ready to connect your phone number. This part involves liaising with your telecom provider if you're using direct routing, or configuring the phone number settings directly within your Microsoft Teams Admin Center if you have the Business Voice or Teams Phone Standard plans. This setup is typically handled by someone with administrative privileges, so if you're not the administrator, you'll want to work closely with them to get this part set up correctly. During the configuration process, it's important to follow the specific instructions provided within the Teams Admin Center. This ensures seamless integration, allowing you to make calls directly from Microsoft Teams without any hitches. If you're unsure about any part of the setup, Microsoft provides excellent documentation and support that can help guide you through the process. To wrap things up, ensuring you have the right plan is step 1. From there, configuring your phone number involves either direct routing or setting it up through the Teams Admin Center, depending on your chosen path. By paying careful attention to each step, you'll be able to utilize Microsoft Teams to its fullest potential. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide helps you enjoy a smoother and more connected experience with Microsoft